try to continue what had we left before. We have here example number 11. We have, yes, two more, no? Two more examples. Okay, before we go to the next topic, which is lesson number 4. And I think I had already sent that to you a while ago. Okay, so before we start with the next lesson, we will try to finish this one and we will have a break. Then we proceed to the new lesson, no? So your next quiz will be on Saturday. Inverse Laplace and the new lesson. Okay, so I think we had already finished 1 to 5 or we have left number 4. No? I can't remember kung nagawa natin yung number 4. Okay. So we have two numbers na lang pala. Okay? Okay, so let's proceed. So I'll write first, no? Question. So f of s at number 4 to, no? Class number 4. So f of s, 2s plus 4 all over s. So s squared minus 2s plus 5. Yan. Okay, so stop sharing this. Okay, so we have number 4. So 2s plus 4 all over s squared minus 2s plus 5. Okay, so paki-check na lang class, no? Naka-open naman yung chat box dito. So kung may tanong o kaya biglang nawala, okay? Nawala yung sa screen. Okay, so we have 2s plus 4, okay? All over s. So you have s squared minus 2s plus 5. Okay. So this one is a complex. So bako-complex to, no? Kasi how can you determine if this one is a complex equation? So determine the root, no? Pag kinuha mo yung root niyan, so that is um, that is s squared minus 2s plus blank equal to negative 5 plus blank. Diba? Okay, so this one is 1. So this one is also 1. So that is S. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 squared is 1. Okay. So you have minus 1 squared. Okay, is equal to negative 4. So pag nag-negative dito, that is a complex. No? So you have S minus 1 squared plus 4. So that is equal to 0. So this one, no, will be your denominator here, no? Okay? So it will replace s squared minus 2s plus 5. Okay. So we have a over s plus, so this one is a binomial, no? So we have bs plus all over you have s squared minus 2s plus 5. So, get the value of a, no? So that is 2s plus 4 multiplied by s all over s. So you have s squared minus 2s plus 5. Okay. So taking s equal to 0. Okay. So cancel to. Okay. So that is equal to 4 over 5. No? Ayan. Kasi 0 yung s. Okay. Next. So since this one is a complex term, no? So we have 2s plus 4 is equal to a. A is 4 over 5. No? 4 over 5 multiplied by s squared minus 2s plus 5 plus, so you have bs plus c multiplied by s. Okay? So parang nag-cross multiply tayo kasi we want to determine the common denominator. Eh, dalawa lang yan. So ito, multiply mo doon, then this one multiply mo dito. But A, we have already determined the residue. So that's 4 over 5. So ayan. Okay? So next, simplify. So you 2s plus 4. Okay? So that is equal to 4 over 5 s squared minus 8 over 5 s plus 4. Diba? Then plus bs squared plus cs. Okay? So combine terms with s squared. So we have 0. Okay? Walang s squared dito eh. So you have 4 over 5. Okay? Then plus b. Ayan. So b is negative 4 over 5. Okay? So we have determined the value of b. Okay? So how about c? Yung c naman. Okay? So combine terms with s only. No? S only. So dito sa part na to, so you have 2. Yun lang yung may s eh. Okay? Then we have negative 8. 8 over 5, yun yung may s. And plus c. Okay? Yan. So ito, 2s. Ito, negative 8 over 5s. And you have cs. So yun. Okay? So c, okay, using your calculator, that will give you 2 plus 8 over 5. No? So that is 18. 18 over 5. So 2 plus 8 over 5. So you have 18 over 5. Yan. Okay? So substitute mo dito. So that is negative 4 over 5 s plus 18 over 5 divided by, so you have, ito, papasok mo to, no? Ito, s minus 1 squared plus 4, saka yung s squared minus 2s plus 5, pareho lang yan, no? Kaya lang dito makikita mo yung magiging kapartner ng S, which is minus 1. Okay, so we have S minus 1 squared plus 4. Then you have to separate them, no? Separate. So you have negative 4 over 5, okay, multiplied by S all over S minus 1 squared plus 4 plus 18 over 5 multiplied by 1 over, you have S minus 1 squared plus 4. Okay, so hiwalay lang natin. No? Hiwalay ito, tapos hiwalay yan. So ito na yun. Ayan. Okay? So, ito, napansin nyo, mayroong nakalagay na minus 1. So, kailangan maglalagay ka rin ng minus 1 plus 1. Okay? So, negative 4 over 5. Nakamultiply yan, ganyan. So, you have S minus 1 plus 1. Okay? All over S minus 1 squared plus 4. Okay? Tapos ito naman, para ma-compensate ito, maglalagay ako ng 2 sa taas, di ba? So you have 80 plus, so you have 18 over 5, no? Multiplied by 2 all over S minus 1 squared plus 4. Bakit maglalagay ng 2? Because of omega squared, di ba? Yan, square root mo yung 4, so 2. So, since naglagay ako ng 2 sa taas, maglalagay din ako ng 2 times 2 sa ilalim. Okay, para mag-compensate. Okay? So, lagyan natin ng equal sign. Ayan. Okay? Next. So, ito, that is negative 4 over 5. You have S minus 1 all over. So, you have S minus 1 squared plus 4 plus 1 over. So, you have S minus 1 squared plus 4. Diba? So, anong nangyari niyan? Ito, saka to. Okay? And then, plus 18 over 10. 18 over 10. Okay? And then, ito class, automatic, no? This one is sine. Sine yan kasi hindi omega doon sa taas. No? Pero later na lang. So, ganyan na lang muna para sabay-sabay. No? So, that's 2 all over. So, S minus 1 squared plus 4. Okay? So, isa-isa lang para hindi tayo malito. No? Okay. So, next. Ito na. So, dito tayo, no? So, that is negative 4 over 5. Okay? So, this one is cosine, no? Oh, cosine. So, that is cosine 2t. And then, meron tayong s minus 1, di ba? So, may s minus 1 tayo. So, kung cosine lang yan, no, dapat s, no, dapat s squared. Okay? So, paano gagawin natin dyan? Anong ilalagay natin na e, di ba? So, kung negative 1 yan, so e raised to t. E raised to t na lang. Ayan. Okay? Because of minus 1. Okay? Plus, ito, walang s sa taas, so that is cosine. So, kailangan ko maglagay ng 2 sa taas, so that is 1 half multiplied by 2 all over s minus 1 squared plus 4 para magmukha siyang sine, di ba? Okay, and then plus 18 over 10. So you have e raised to t sine 2t. Okay? So yun ito. Bakit may e raised to t? Because of s minus 1. So maglalagay ka ng plus 1 doon. So e raised to t. Okay, so ito na lang. So that is negative 4 over 5. That is e raised to t cosine 2t plus 1 half e raised to t sine 2t plus 18 over 10 e raised to t sine 2t. Okay? Now, itong sinosolve natin na to, dito lang yan, no? Para dito. Okay? So, para makuha mo yung sagot, yung f of t, so f of t, okay? So, f of t, yung nakuha natin na value ng a kanina, that is 4 over 5. Saan na yan? Ito, no? Ito. Yeah. 4 over 5 is 3. And 4 over 5, 4 over 5 over s yan. So, pag kinuha mo yung inverse Laplace niyan, constant na lang matitira. So, 4 over 5, no? So, you have 4 over 5. Okay? Yan. Next.
Sir, pataas, sir.
Okay. So, napansin nyo, no? Ito, cosine, sine, and sine. Pwede pagsamahin yung sine. Para isa na lang. So, that is minus 4 over 5 e raised to t cosine 2t. Okay? So, paano ko pagsasamahin ito? So, i-distribute ko muna to. Ito, na-distribute ko na. Ito, para sa cosine. So, ito naman, no? So, we have 4 divided by 5 times 1 half. Okay? So, that is 2 over 5. Negative 2 over 5 plus. Okay? So, negative 2 over 5 plus 18 over 10. Okay? So, that is 7. So, 7 over 5. E raised to t sine 2. Okay? Ito, pinagsama ko na, no? Ang ginawa, negative 4 over 5 times 1 half. Tapos yung sagot nun, plus 18 over 10. So you have 7 over 5. Ito naman, saan nang galing to? Diminultiply lang dito. So, 4 over 5 is the inverse Laplace of this one, di ba? 4 over 5 yung A eh. 4 over 5 over S. Kaya, ito ay 4 over 5 lang. Okay? So, at this point, you had already your function, di ba? So, example ko lang, no? Halimbawa, hinahanap dito yung, halimbawa, distance, o kaya yung rotation, no? At a certain time. So, kunyari, at t is equal to 1 second, halimbawa, no? So, magsa-substitute ka ng 1. So, that's 4 over 5, okay, minus 4 over 5 e raised to 1 because that is with t. No? Then you have cosine 2 plus 7 over 5 e raised to 1. You have sine 2. So, pag ganito, yung sine cosine, kailangan yung calculator mo ay naka-radian. Hindi naman yan degrees eh. Kasi ang unit ng t is seconds. Tapos ito, radian per second. Diba? Omega ito. This one is omega. Omega is radian per second. Okay? Radian per second times seconds o canceling seconds, radian. So, dapat naka-radian yung calculator. Okay? So, magkakaroon ka ng sagot dito. So, halimbawa, yan ay meters, length na hinahanap o kaya ah, yung radian, no? Yung angular length niya, no? Okay? Yeah. So, depende kung ano yung nakalagay sa problem. So, mahanap ko yung sagot dito. Okay, so questions for number 4 before we go to number 6. Nasagutan natin number 6. So, tignan natin yung number 6. Okay, so this one is number 6. dxt minus 5xt. So, kuha tayo ng bagong papel. So, number 6, sulat ko lang. So, that is dxt minus 5xt, x sub t. That is negative e raised to negative 2t. So, you have the condition x sub 0 is equal to 3. Yan. Okay, so stop sharing this. Ayan, so take the Laplace. So, kukunin mo yung Laplace nito, Laplace. Ayan, okay. So, we have s, x sub s, minus s of 0, d of 0, x sub 0, minus 5, no? X sub s equal to negative 1 over s plus 2. Okay, so s, x sub s, minus 1, s of 0 is 1, d of 0, x of 0 is 3, times 3, minus 5, x sub s equal to negative 1 over s plus 2. So, take x sub s, that is s minus 5, and that is equal to negative 1 over s plus 2 plus 3. Diba? Negative 3, nilipat sa kabila, so plus 3. Okay? So therefore, you have x sub s is negative 1 over, so you have s plus 2 multiplied by s minus 5, okay, plus 3 over s minus 5. Okay? Okay, so take the Laplace o take the inverse Laplace each, no? Hindi sabay-sabay, no? Wag yung sabay-sabay. Okay? Or pwede rin kung gusto mo, isa na lang. So, simple lang kasi ito eh. Pero pag complex na yung marami na nakalagay dyan, mas maganda isa-isa. So, common denominator, that is s plus 2. You have s minus 5. Diba? So, that is negative 1. Tapos, kompleto siya, no? Kompleto siya. So, mali yan. So, negative 1 plus 3 times s plus 2. Ayan. Negative 1 plus cross multiply. So, meron na siyang kompleto na siya dito eh. So, wala ka nang ilalagay doon. Yung sa 3, kulang lang s plus 2, kaya merong s plus 2. So, we have negative 1 plus 3s plus 6 all over s plus 2, s minus 5. So, therefore, you have x of S that is equal to, you have 3S plus 5, okay? All over S plus 2, you have S minus 5. The roots are real. No? The roots are real. So therefore, you have A over S plus 2 plus B all over S minus 5. Okay? So dito na tayo, no? So ito, that is take the value of A, residue of A. So for A, that is 3S plus 5 multiplied by S plus 2. So all over you have S plus 2, then S minus 5. Taking S to be equal to negative 2 because that is the root. No? S plus 2 yan, so minus 2. Okay, so this one is A. Okay, so cancel yon, cancel yan. So substitute the value of 2 o negative 2. Okay, so you have negative ito. Pag sinubstitute mo yan, so you have negative 6 plus 5, that is negative 1. Then negative 2, negative 7. Or that is 1 over 7. And yung B naman, that is 3S plus 5 multiplied by S minus 5 all over S plus 2, S minus 5. Taking S to be equal to positive 5. Ito yung root nito. Sa baba. Ayan. Okay, so S minus 5, S minus 5, cancel. So substitute 5. So you have 3 times 5, 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, so you have 7. 20 over 7. So therefore, f of s is 1 over 7 over s plus 2 plus b, that is 20 over 7 all over s minus 5. So pag in-inverse Laplace mo yan, that is 1 over 7 e raised to negative 2t plus 20 over 7 e raised to positive 5. Okay? That's number 6. Okay, so let's see, number 7. Okay, so we have the number 7 figure, no? That is the mechanical system. Okay, so x sub 0 is 0, the x sub 0 is equal to 0. So those are the initial conditions. Okay, yeah. So number 7. Okay. Now, simple lang yung ano class. Simple lang yung figure. So, sulat ko lang yung given. So, f of t, that is equal to 3 e raised to 2t Newton. Then, yung mass natin, 1 kilogram. Then, yung damper, that is 6 Newton per meter. And yung spring natin, K, that is 5 Newton second meter. Ayan. So, stop share natin to. Okay, so alam natin na that is F, no? F of T is equivalent to T squared plus MD squared X sub T, lagyan natin, plus BD X sub T plus K X sub T. Diba? Ganyan yan. Okay? Hmm. So, 3 e raised to 2t is equivalent to t squared x sub t because that is equal to 1. 1 kasi yun eh, di ba? Plus 6t x sub t plus 5 x sub t. Take the Laplace, that is 3 over s minus 2. Okay? So that is s squared x sub s. So yung ano, yung condition niya 0, so pag ito, this one should be minus s raised to 1 b of 0 s of 0. So cancel na yun kasi that is 0, no? Plus 6 s x sub s plus 5 x sub s. Okay? So ang output natin is x sub s, di ba? Kasi yan yung length na hinahanap nung hinatak ng force na 3 e raised to 2t Newton, no? Nung hinatak niya yung object, ito yung distance na tinravel ng object nung hinatak niya, no? So therefore, x sub s, that is equal to 3 all over. So you have s minus 2. So you have s squared plus 6s plus 5. Ayan. Okay? So you try to check if this one is a complex or not, diba? So check natin. So s squared plus 6s plus blank equal to negative 5 plus blank. Okay? So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 3 squared, 9. 9. Diba? Hmm. So we have s plus 3 squared is equal to 4. Okay? Ayan. So, hindi siya, ano, no? Hindi siya complex. So, kung hindi siya complex, merong roots. Merong real roots. So, ano bang real roots niyan? So, lagay ko na lang dito. So, that is 3 over, you have s minus 2. So, you have real roots. 5, s muna, s. Tapos, 5 at saka 1, di ba? Kasi factor ng 5 is 5 and 1. So, dapat parehong positive. Okay? O, s squared plus s plus 5s plus 5. So, 5s plus s, 6s. Ayan. Okay? So, therefore, the roots are real. Okay? Real lahat ng roots. So, that is 3. Dito na lang. So, that is 3. X of s yan na. X of s. So, that is s minus 2. S plus 5. S plus 1. And that is equal to A over S minus 2 plus B over S plus 5. Then plus C, S plus 1. Okay? So for A, that is equal to, ayan, yung A natin. So that is 3 times S minus 2 all over. So you have s minus 2, you have s plus 5, s plus 1. Taking s to be equal to positive 2. Ayan. Cancel yun. So, positive 2. So, that is 3 over 7 multiplied by 3. So, ang A natin ay 1 over 7. B. So, that is 3. You have S plus 5 all over S minus 2. S plus 5. S plus 1. Okay? Taking S to be equal to negative 5. Cancel yun. No? So, that is 3 over, so negative 5, so negative 7, tapos 4. Negative 5 pala yan. So negative 5 plus 1, that is negative 4. So that is negative 5 plus 1, so you have negative 4. So that is 3 over 3 over positive 28. Positive 20. C, that is 3 S plus 1 all over S minus 2 S plus 5 S plus 1. Okay? Taking S to be equal to negative 1. So, negative 1, so cancel ito. That is equal to 3 over negative 3, positive 4. So, that is negative 1/4. Okay? So, nahanap mo na yung ABC. Substitute mo dito sa ABC. Okay, so f of t, so simple lang naman yung ano natin, inverse natin. So a is 1 over 7, so that is 1 over 7 e raised to 2t positive. No? Next b, 3 over 28, so plus 3 over 28 e raised to um, negative, magiging negative 5, di ba? Because this one is negative. Plus or minus 1/4. 1/4 e raised to negative t. Yan. So this one is our inverse Laplace. Okay? Oh. Actually, hindi yan f of t. That is x of t. Yan. X of t yan. Okay? Kasi ang function natin x eh. Diba? Ang variable natin x. Yan yung hinahanap. Okay, so halimbawa, hinahanap siya na nasaan na kaya siya ng 1 second. So, halimbawa, 1 second. Okay? 1 second. So, i-substitute nyo lang yung value ng 1 second dito. Mahanap nyo na kung nasaan na siya. Kasi hinatak siya ng force na 3 e raised to 2t. Okay? So, since hinatak siya ng ganitong klaseng force, siyempre may change ng length or distance. So, ano kaya ang length niya or distance niya at 1 second? Okay, substitute nyo lang doon. Then, you have kung since meter yan, so meter. Again, okay? Meter yung length. Okay, so that's number 7. Okay, so you have, yun natin, Okay, so you have an assignment to be submitted next meeting, assignment number 7. Ayan. So, 5 numbers. Okay? 5 numbers. Okay, so I'll check the attendance na, no? Then, para sa second session,